Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest from Masagari Channel, a faith leader, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advice, na spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayong energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na tuklasin at bubulabogin natin. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, let's see. Angel Spirit, let's give me information po. Okay, so this is something the high fight. A lesson learned. So may mga bagay dito na maaaring magtakda sa iyo ng katotohanan na unti-unti mong matutuklasan ang lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong matutunan. No, there is something, a lesson learned. Additional messages. So this is something, a 6 of Cups. Now there is something, reconciliation. I don't think this is something, a person or a situation. No, may mga bagay dito guys na maaaring ibabalik. No, may mga bagay na unting-unting manunumbalik. Oh my God, na dapat mong matutunan. Ibig sabihin, dapat natuto ka na sa nangyari or leksyon sa iyo sa nakaraan nang hindi na maulit sa kasalukuyan. And this is the Queen of Swords. A look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titignan yung magiging possibilities, yung outcome or disadvantage and advantage ng bawat situation. And there's a Nine of Pentacles with security, guys. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, maging secure ka pagdating sa love life, maging secure ka pagdating sa kung ano man ang mga bagay na meron ka. No? Additional messages. And there's something, the Hephaestus. So this is something, a hidden agenda, ay something, a mystery, and of course, a hidden enemies. So may mga bagay o misteryo sa likod ng mga kaguluhan or kaganapan sa buhay mo na unti-unti mo nang matutuklasan at malalaman ang kahulugan at kahalagahan ng bawat eksena. And there is something, the Devil card. Now, there is something, the Devil, nag-represent with a black magic involved, or either there is something, a toxicities or negativity. So, let's see. There's a high fight for a lesson learned. Represent what? Higher fan represent with sour moment with the major changes. It's a chaos or either a destruction or disaster. May mga bagay na nasira, no? Dahil dito sa nangyari sa nakaraan. Kaya matuto ka na, no? Minsan na nakasira, minsan nang sumira, no? Mauulit pa ulit yung ganong senaryo. Kaya kailangan matuto ka na. What is the 6 of Cups? Represent what? There's a 7 of Cups, no? No, there's a lot of opportunities or choices, no? Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. And there's something, a past person or a situation rather, na maaaring, kumbaga, maguguluhan ka kung ano talaga yung gagawin mong action, no? Unti-unti mo na titong maliliwanagan kung ano talaga yung gusto mong mangyari. No, matututo ka na eh. Kumbaga, nagsiset ka na ng boundaries. Magsiset ka na ng protection sa sarili mo, even your family. What is the Queen of Swords? Represent what? Represent with the King of Wands, ambitions, no? Unti-unti mo na nakikita, no? Yung mga magiging possibilities, yung kahihinatnan o yung nangyayari behind your back, no? Unti-unti nang nagkakaroon ng framework, no? Let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. Represent what? So this is the Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups. May re-evaluate or na-analyze. May mga bagay na unti-unti mong pag-iisipan, unti-unti mo nang i-visualize before taking action. Magiging secure ka na ngayon. No? Hindi ka na basta-basta nagtatatanggap ng kahit anong offer. The High Fist is the represent one. Excuse me. The High Priestess represent what? Represent with the Strength card. Confident. So, kailangan lakas mo ang loob mo. Maging matapang ka. Hindi pwedeng duwag ka. Kailangan palaban ka. What is the Devil card? Represent what? So, this is the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus, no? Sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, even your love life. Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo. No? Maraming mga iyahain sa yung offer. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. It's a temptation. Maraming tukso, maraming tuso, maraming mga bagay na ipapain sa'yo. No? Para, kumbaga, maano ka dito, mabudol ka o maulul ka ulit. And this is the Hierophant because the Tower moment. Represent with the Four of Swords by intuition. Maraming tumatakbo sa panaginip mo, sa isipan mo. No? Maraming mga bagay dito na bago pa mangyari, ha? Kumaga, bibigyan ka na ng instinct or something na parang hinala or parang paalala, ganon. A divine intervention. No? What is the Six of Cups? Because the Seven of Cups. Represent what? Represent with the Five of Pentacles. So, see? Some of you, guys, parang ginulo din, no? Pagdating sa finances mo. Itong tao na to, ginulo niya na para maubos sa'yo lahat. Kumaga, bagay na para mawala sa'yo lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. What is the Queen of Swords? The King of Wands. Represent with the Empress card for rebirth. So this is something na maaaring mamahalin mo na yung sarili mo. Na unti-unti mo na makikita ang kahalagahan ng sarili mo. Unti-unti na mababalik yung sigla ng sarili mo at pagkatao mo. No? So let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. Represent with the Three of Pentacles. No? Ibig sabihin dito, i-visualize o i-analyze mo even your collaborations. No? Yung pakikipag-communikasyon, pakikipag-usap, kumaga maging secure ka na rin. Hindi ka na basta-basta mag-share ng kahit anong information na maaring private, gano'n. No, hindi ka na transparency sa ibang tao. What is the High Priestess? And it's the Strength card. It represents what? Represent with a Void card. There's something trouble, guys, no? Magkakaroon ka ng trouble dito. No, lahat ng mga bagay dito, hindi mo akalaing mangyayari at magaganap. There is something local or international trouble. There's a lot of adventure coming in for you. This is something, a mystery. Now, may mga bagay na hindi ka palubos na nakikita at nauunawaan. Pero ito yung magbibigay lakas ng loob. Magiging matapang ka. No? Some of you guys mangingibang bansa. Some of you guys pupunta ng ibang lugar. What is the Devil card? Because the Eight of Pentacles. Represent with the Magician. See? There is a Devil and the Eight of Pentacles and the Magician. Ibig sabihin may gumagawa talaga sa'yo dito. No? Kumbaga, idadaan to sa pagkain. Mag-ingat po kayo sa pagtanggap ng kung ano-ano. Pagkain na offer kahit na kanino. No? Let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating naman tayo sa outcome. Ang outcome dito, guys, is the Four of Wands. A celebration, na homecoming, family gathering. Na magkakaroon ka dito ng lot of celebration. And this is something that you can with the movement and of course actions. No? Kumaga, meron ditong magkakaroon ng higher level commitment na kumbaga hantong sa wedding, engagement, and because this is something proposal, no promotion, and there's a charity with a movement, action and changes, and this is something the Seven of Wands, but that you are being protected. Protektado ka. Now, lahat ng mga bagay dito, pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ka. Let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating sa finances and career. So, this is the Two of Wands by choices. Piliin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lamang sa'yo for your finances. There's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking perang papasok sa'yo dito na kailangan maging wise at listo ka. And there's the Hermit card. Spiritual. No? Maaaring kumbaga lalaya ka na sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. A comfort zone. No? Kumakawala ka na sa comfort zone mo. At sinasabi dito, there's something a spiritual offer. No? Umiwas ka sa mga bagay na parang hindi ka aware or parang wala kang, parang hindi, bago sa'yo yun. Na parang alamin mo muna. Hindi pwede yung papasok ka agad sa isang bagay na hindi mo alam kung ano yung kahihinatnan. No? Even your business, basta may kinalaman sa finances, huwag kang susubok ng hindi nature sa'yo yung ganung scenario. Let's see what is additional messages for love life. There's the Sun card with a fear positive outcome. Magiging maganda lang ang inyong pagsasama. There's something, the flower. No, nag-represent with the empowerment. And this is something that will fortune. The destiny is yours. No, magiging maganda lang ikot ang kapalaran pagdating sa inyong buhay mag-asawa. Buhay relasyon. No, buhay pag-ibig. Ganon. One more card please. And there's the Four of Pentacles, save, protect your power. Ngayon po, proteksyonan mo yung mga bagay na meron ka na. Ibig sabihin, mas lalo ka ng wais, mas lalo ka ng matalino, no? Sa pagdidesisyon pagdating sa sarili at pamilya mo. Or even your relationship. Additional messages, pagdating sa health. Sa health mo naman, there's a temperance for something, a temptation, no? Parang sinasabi dito guys na pinapaalala na marunong ka kumalma. No? Kumalma ka kasi parang magti-trigger dito yung galit or magiging parang kumbaga pala desisyon, no? And there's an 8 of Wands. So there's a something communication, no? Kung magiging maganda na rin ang kalusugan mo dito, kumbaga iwasan mo yung mga bagay na nakakasama sa'yo, no? Let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? Magical fairy messages represent with a marriage. Some of you guys kasal, some of you may asawa, some of you guys may relasyon, and there's an emotional healing. So mawawala na yung stress, mawawala na yung depression mo, nagbibigay malakid sa isip at puso mo, mawawala na. What is the yin and yang oracle card represent what? Represent with the yin and yang, third party, and boom. May third party talaga. And there's the sun and empowerment. Talagang bibigyan ka ng kalakasan, kaliwanagan, lakas ng loob, tapang. And this is something empathy with a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka sa lahat ng aspeto, ha? And this is something growth. Magkakaroon ka rin ng growth and expansion. No? And there is something decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon. No, magkakaroon ka ng unlock knowledge, guys. Mas lalo kang, kumaga, may mga bagay na hindi ka aware doon, pero magkakaroon ka ng something na kaalaman, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there is an inspiration with the music. So, makakatulong daw ang music for healing energy, and this is something bliss with the happiness. So, magiging masaya ka this time. And this is something divine timing. So, talagang in the perfect timing, guys, na talagang magiging masaya ka in the near future. What is additional messages for the synchronicities represent what? And there's the world. Now, meron ka talagang trouble. And there's the love talaga. Malaking factor sa reading mo ang love life. And there's a you become a princess, no? And there is something ready. Maging handa ka. Or kailangang maghanda ka. There's just something that changes coming in for you. For Archangel Michael messages. Admit the truth to your feelings, to yourself. And act accordingly. So, tanggapin mo sa sarili mo kung sino ka talaga. Iwasan mo magpanggap. Iwasan mo, kumbaga, ipakita sa kanila na, ganito, ganyan. Kumbaga, maging authentic ka sa sarili mo. And this is something have confidence. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. Hindi ka pwedeng duwag. Hindi ka pwedeng kumbaga bumabase sa ibang tao, kailangan meron kang sariling disposition sa buhay. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a success coming in for you. Magiging matagumpay ka. And there's something discipline. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang disiplina. Ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit for the angel's answer represent what? And ask from help from others. So, kailangan mo talaga ng tulong ng ibang tao. Within the next few months, sa mga susunod na linggo, sa susunod na buwan, there is something changes coming in for you guys. And this is something in the near future. Talagang nalalapit na, no, na magiging maligay at magiging masaya ka. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is a crack open, no? Kumbaga, binibigyan liwanag na sa'yo, na parang pinakita na kung ano man yung mga bagay na naging lamat. Unti-unti mo nang makikita, no, ang totoong muka ng mga pangyayari. And you're not alone. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. No? Kaya wag kang mag-feeling isolated, feeling imprisonment, you're feeling, you're feeling lonely. This is something partiality. Maging balanse ka. No? And there's a bittersweet. Kung may pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. And there's a completion. Wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. What is the romance angel represent what? Represent the true love. May true love talaga dito. And this is something reconciliation. Some of you guys know, person something, a second chances. And there's something passion. Ipapakita talaga yung pag-ibig, magmamahal sa isa't isa. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a transformation. Malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo dahil sa mga lessons. No, there's a lessons, no, na kumaga minulat ka, natauhan ka, naliwanagan ka. This is the moment, guys, na lahat ng mga bagay nito, it's a beautiful magic, no? It's a beautiful magic with a God purpose. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Parang sinasabi na God to believe in magic. Ganun siya, guys, no? Maniwala ka pag sigad na gumawa ng mahika. Pag sigad na gumawa ng eksena na hindi mo akalaing mangyayari, ang himala. And this is something, diet is more important here. So, kailangan mo rin mag-diet, ha? Iwasan mo yung kakalamon mo dyan. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is something school, a lessons. Double clarification with the lessons. And there's a strength card, so confident, lakasan mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. Dapat palaban ka. What is the Monsology represent what? And expect the powerful change. So, kailangan mo ng mga pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. Mag-expect ka na raw. Now, there is something, a change is coming in for you. And this is something, adjustment are required. So, kailangan mo mag-adjust. Kailangan mong kumagabaguhin. No, yung mga nakasanayan mo. What is additional messages for caring connections? Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, no? Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, pagmamahal. And this is something, 6 Shakar Archangel Metatron for surprises. Maraming pasabog, maraming bulabog, maraming bagay na magbibigay surpresa sa'yo. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Pray always. Magdasal ka palagi. Manalig, manampalataya at maniwala. Dahil lang dito na ibang kakalob sa'yo ang pagpapala. What is the angel's number? Represented 1515 with a big break. This is the moment, no? Ito na yung panahon pagkakataon para ang swerte ay dumapo na sa'yo. An opportunity extra, cash or health or other support is coming your way. So keep going and have fun when performing your task. The most tremendous success comes from passion. All effort will be rewarded big time. So see you. Kumbaga magpatuloy ka, kailangan wala kang pangamba at takot. No, dahil ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para sa kabayaran ng mga paghihirap at mga sakripisyo mo. What is the messages of life? Represent what? Represent with or remain in the light. Manatili ka sa liwanag, no? Ano mang kadiliman, ano mang pangyayaring madilim sa buhay mo, tandaan mo, may liwanag na sisinag mismo sa harap mo. Today I observe, I take time to think calmly and wisely. I go forward with a complete confidence, knowing I will succeed. No matter what happened today, I will remain in the light. I will maintain my equilibrium in this way. I nurture my soul. I become stronger, steady, representative of the light. So see, mananatili ka sa liwanag. Ano mga dagok, pag problema, sakripisyo ang mga pinagdaanan mo, tandaan mo. Manalig ka sa ating Panginoon, lahat ng mga bagay na ito magbabago sa isang iglap lang, no? So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating sagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng adsaway. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, lig-lig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat din sa next video. Bye-bye and babush!